Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 RAM Power Wagon. RAM has once again solidified its dominance in the heavy-duty truck market with the release of the 2025 RAM Power Wagon. Known for its unrivaled strength and durability, this latest iteration takes power, toughness, and capability to an entirely new level, setting a benchmark for workhorse vehicles. The 2025 Power Wagon boasts a rugged design that commands attention. A bold front grille, heavy-duty steel bumpers, and striking LED lighting give it a distinctive presence on and off the road. Reinforced skid plates and 35-inch all-terrain tires ensure that this truck can conquer the most challenging environments with ease. Under the hood, the Power Wagon is equipped with a 6.4-liter Hemi V8 engine that delivers a staggering 485 horsepower and 630 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is coupled with a robust 8-speed automatic transmission and a unique 4-wheel drive system designed for extreme off-road capability. For those seeking even greater efficiency, RAM now offers a hybrid-assisted engine option, blending performance with sustainability. Inside, the Power Wagon pairs its rugged exterior with a surprisingly luxurious interior. Durable, premium materials ensure the cabin can handle tough jobs while offering comfort and sophistication. Features like a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, smartphone integration, and a Harman Kardon audio system enhance the driving experience. Safety and technology are paramount in the 2025 RAM Power Wagon. Advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, trailer sway control, and a 360-degree camera system, make it as safe as it is powerful. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, extreme off-road adventures, and everything in between, the 2025 RAM Power Wagon continues its legacy as a truck built for those who demand the best. With its unparalleled strength, innovative technology, and rugged charm, it's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. Set to arrive in dealerships in early 2025, the RAM Power Wagon is ready to redefine the standards of heavy-duty pickups once again. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.